Hello guys, welcome to my channel. When I opened the Chrome, my text manager noticed that my Chrome browser had many chrome.exe processes running even though I had only opened one tab and I seen it is loaded. It made me a concern about the excessive number of the processes in the task manager. Perhaps you are also curious about why there are so many processing in the task manager. What might be happening with your Chrome browser? So let's try to find out. If this is a malware related issue or something else. First off, it is important to note that while some of the processes could be a malware related to, most of them are legitimate process. To learn more about this process, you can negative to the more tools and click the task manager. It is in the Chrome browser task manager. Here we can see the various processes associated with the Chrome browser. That main process you can see in the browser itself. It is responsible for the overall functioning of the Chrome browser. Another person may you notice is that the GPU process. Chrome relies on this the process for the tasks such as visual rendering, HTML processing, and other graph related operate. If you attempt to kill the process, it will be automatically restart, and this one is the connecting to the internet, and this one is the related to the data storage, audio, and so on. And each of the subframes represented are the separated process associated with the cnet.com. These processes are typically connected to the advertisement companies that provided ads on c.com. So let's count them together. So as you can see here, the total we can count here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So here you can see the 10 Chrome extension is open. This video is helpful for you to clarify that why we have opened one only, but there is a lot of tabs open behind the scenarios. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.